I'm not even vlogging today, but Mike just wants to be in the vlog.
I'm in the vlog now. Yay. Felix.
We're bowling, by the way.
Okay.
Maybe I turn this into a vlog.
What, sorry?
I'm going to make this a vlog now.
Yeah, okay, so here we are at the bowling place. What's it called again?
Splitsville.
Splitsville.
There you go.
Very cool, very American. I work at Fantasmic.
How is it?
It's really cool.
Yeah.
Dead easy, you know. And if you come, I'll be VIP. I don't know, but yeah, no, it's fun.
Good, I'm glad you're enjoying it. Let's go bowling! Woo! Drew is also here.
Hello, I'm just here.
Okay, so as I'm now apparently vlogging, I thought I might as well actually explain what's happening. Me, Felix and Drew have decided to come bowling. It's currently about 10:30 at night.
It's 11 o'clock.
It's 11 PM.
It's 11 PM.
But Felix had work.
I've just spent 6 hours at work and I have to be up at 6 AM tomorrow for a social security appointment.
Woo! America! I decided this morning when I woke up that I wanted to go bowling, so here we are. We have our hideous shoes on. Mine don't fit, what a surprise.
Neither do mine, but that's okay.
And I just really want some food, and here we are. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah! Okay, so far, I don't know if you can see that, my score says 0. Oh my god, Alice, if you're watching this, listen to the song. Okay, go on Drew, I'm gonna film this one. Hope that's okay.
Come on, Drew.
Yes! That was that one? Where did that go? Go on!
Hey! Hey, the best bit is I vlogged that. Oh my god, can you imagine? Yes!
Oh, try food!
Felix is dominating right now.
He's doing so good. No! Felix got a brownie, that looks insane. Oh my god.
I'm excited.
You might actually have it! You've got it! Oh no! This is the final score for our game. Oh, yep. I think we get another game, guys. I've already had dinner, but I've now got pizza as well. Okay, it's down to the last throw. If Felix gets 4 pins down, he's beat Drew. No! Oh my god, he's done it! Ah! Felix wins game 2! Hooray! Just documenting this moment. I'm winning on the first round. Yay!
5 minutes later.
Update, I'm no longer winning. And the final score. Yeah, Drew won by a landslide. I lost by a landslide. Good game, guys. You won, well done. Okay, we've left bowling now. Felix, how did you find it?
Good.
It was so fun. Drew won, which I was surprised. We're now heading for the bus because the rest of the bus in like 5 minutes. Drew, how do you feel about winning?
My hand is hurting.
Yeah, my hand hurts. I kept using the small ball, my fingers were getting stuck. But yeah, I'm getting this vlog here because this wasn't even intentionally meant to be a vlog, but Mike insisted that it is, so Mike, I hope you're watching this, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you again with the next vlog very soon. Bye!